Imagine this, you're standing in front of your pantry, staring at a jumble of ingredients, wondering what to cook for dinner. The clock is ticking, your schedule is packed, and your stomach is reminding you that you need to eat. Sound familiar? It's a common dilemma, and it's not just about figuring out what to cook, but also about planning meals, shopping for ingredients, and sticking to your budget. Now, imagine a world where AI could take that stress away, where planning meals, finding recipes, and shopping for groceries is effortless. No more last-minute takeout orders or unnecessary grocery store trips. Just smooth, efficient meal planning that saves you time and money. Today, we're diving into how AI can transform the way you approach meal planning and grocery shopping. From personalized meal recommendations to smart grocery lists, this video will walk you through how AI tools can simplify your life in the kitchen. Let's get started. Part 1. AI-powered meal planning. Meal planning is one of those tasks that seems easy in theory but can be overwhelming in practice. You want to eat healthy, stick to your budget, and minimize food waste, but where do you start? Here's where AI steps in. Personalized meal recommendations. One of the first ways AI can help is by offering personalized meal recommendations. Instead of sifting through endless recipe sites, AI tools analyze your dietary preferences, restrictions, and even your taste profile to suggest meals that suit your needs. Whether you're vegetarian, gluten-free, or following a low-carb diet, AI can recommend recipes tailored to your specific preferences. Platforms like PlateJoy and Adhismic use algorithms to suggest meal plans based on your personal goals, food preferences, and even health conditions. These tools take into account your nutritional needs and suggest meals that align with your fitness or wellness objectives. Whether that's weight loss, muscle gain, or just maintaining a balanced diet. Smart nutrition tracking. Many AI-powered meal planners also include smart nutrition tracking. Once you've selected your meals for the week, AI tools track the nutritional content of each recipe and ensure you're hitting your calorie, protein, fat, and carbohydrate targets. This can be especially helpful for anyone trying to stick to a specific diet plan or fitness regimen. AI takes the guesswork out of meal planning by providing insights into the exact nutritional breakdown of your meals, so you don't have to count calories or research each ingredient yourself. Whether you're trying to eat more vegetables, reduce your sugar intake, or increase your protein consumption, AI helps you plan meals that align with your goals, adapting to preferences. AI meal planners learn from your past choices. The more meals you select, the better the AI becomes at understanding your preferences. It's not just about what foods you like, but also when and how often you like them. Part 2. AI-driven grocery shopping. Once you've got your meals planned out, it's time to tackle the grocery list. If you've ever gone grocery shopping without a list, you know how easy it is to end up buying things you don't need. That's where AI comes in. Smart grocery lists. One of the most convenient ways AI helps with grocery shopping is by generating smart grocery lists. After you've planned your meals, the AI tool automatically creates a shopping list that includes all the ingredients you'll need for the week. This list is often organized by category: produce, dairy, meats, pantry staples, so you can easily navigate the store. Voice-activated shopping. The beauty of AI is its integration with other smart technologies. Many AI tools now work seamlessly with voice assistants like Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant. You can simply say, "Add eggs to my grocery list," and the AI will automatically add it. Voice-activated grocery shopping makes the process even faster and more efficient, allowing you to add items while you're doing other tasks, like cooking or cleaning. AI-powered grocery delivery. If you're short on time or prefer to skip the store altogether, AI tools can help you streamline your grocery delivery. Apps like Instacart and Shipt use AI to match your grocery needs with the right products, automatically adding items to your cart based on your meal plan. They can also suggest substitutions for out-of-stock items or recommend new products that align with your preferences. Part 3. Time-saving AI hacks for the busy cook. If you're short on time, AI can help streamline your cooking process as well. Here are a few time-saving hacks that will change the way you cook. Recipe suggestions based on available ingredients. Have you ever looked in your fridge and thought, "I have no idea what to make with this"? AI can help with that. Apps like Supercook allow you to input the ingredients you already have, and they'll generate a list of recipes you can make without needing to buy anything new. This is especially helpful when you're trying to reduce food waste or just need a quick meal. Automating cooking instructions. Some AI cooking assistants go beyond meal planning by providing step-by-step cooking instructions. These instructions can be voice-guided, allowing you to follow along without needing to keep your hands on a recipe book or phone screen. AI can also adjust cooking times based on your preferences or the size of your ingredients. Conclusion: using AI for meal planning and grocery shopping is a game changer. Not only does it save you time and money, but it also takes the stress out of managing your meals. Whether you're looking to eat healthier, stick to a budget, or simply make your weekly grocery trip more efficient, AI can be your personal assistant in the kitchen.